This is a residential area, fuck. That's not good. Respectfully, we need to leave the vicinity. People are trying to fucking sleep soon, man. I'm a dickhead, man, a dickhead. A dickhead. Was he holding his fucking ears, man?
Well, let me tell you what that kid was actually doing, you fucking dickhead, man. That little kid had his right hand already on his eardrum, and his left hand was basically holding onto his little scooter. But when I got closer with the demonic sound, he released his free hand from the scooter to put it up against his other ear. Damn, son, I'm so sorry.